Picture this, a world where machines not only talk to each other, but also make decisions, optimize processes, and prevent potential issues without human intervention. That's the power of IIoT. From manufacturing and logistics to energy and agriculture, IIoT is making its mark across various sectors, revolutionizing operations and paving the way for a more connected and intelligent future. But how is IIoT different from all the hype that we've been hearing? How has it been revolutionizing the manufacturing world? Hey there, this is Arvind, and I welcome you to Copper Digital, your source for all things tech and innovation. We believe in the power of connectivity and the endless possibilities it brings. Let's uncover the fascinating realm of industrial Internet of Things. The industrial Internet of Things is not just a buzzword, but a tangible force driving innovation, efficiency, and growth in the industrial landscape. By harnessing the power of interconnected devices and intelligent data analytics, businesses can now unlock unprecedented opportunities for success. IIoT represents the seamless integration of internet-connected devices, sensors, and machines within industrial environments. It forms a vital component of broader Industry 4 revolution, where digital technologies are transforming traditional industries. At its core, IIoT leverages smart devices such as sensors, actuators, and embedded systems to gather vast amounts of data from physical assets and processes. These devices are interconnected through a network of infrastructure, enabling them to communicate and share information in real time. The collected data is then transmitted to centralized or cloud-based systems where it undergoes sophisticated analysis and processing. Advanced analytics algorithms and machine learning techniques are employed to derive valuable insights from the gathered information. These insights provide a foundation for informed decision-making, predictive maintenance, and optimization of industrial processes. This is how IIoT enables businesses to monitor equipment performance, detect anomalies, and identify potential issues even before they escalate to costly failures. Now, let's discuss where IIoT fits into larger landscape of Industry 4. As we progress towards the fourth industrial revolution, traditional manufacturing processes are evolving into intelligent, interconnected systems. IIoT acts as a key enabler to seamlessly integrating the physical and digital worlds. Smart factories leverage IIoT to create a connected ecosystem where machines, systems, and humans collaborate in unprecedented ways. With real-time data exchange and automation, production processes become more efficient, flexible, and responsive to changing demands. Wondering what are the benefits for IIoT for your business? Well, they're truly transformative. First and foremost, IIoT enhances operational efficiency by optimizing resource allocation, reducing downtime, and improving overall equipment effectiveness. This leads to significant cost savings and higher productivity. Secondly, IIoT empowers businesses to prioritize safety and mitigate risk. With real-time monitoring and predictive analytics, potential hazards can be identified proactively, ensuring a safer working environment for employees and minimizing the likelihood of accidents. Additionally, IIoT enables data-driven decision-making, empowering organizations to make informed choices and drive innovation. By uncovering patterns and trends within vast sea of data, businesses can optimize their processes, identify new revenue streams, and gain competitive edge. Last but not least, IIoT enhances the customer experience. With greater visibility into production processes, businesses can offer personalized and customized products, respond quickly to customer demands, and deliver superior service, ultimately fostering customer loyalty and satisfaction. And that concludes our exploration of the industrial Internet of Things and its impact on businesses within the realm of Industry 4. We have witnessed how IIoT seamlessly integrates devices, gathers data, and empowers organizations with valuable insights and enhanced efficiency. As we continue to embrace the digital age, IIoT will play a crucial role in shaping the future of industries, unlocking new levels of productivity, safety, and innovation. The possibilities are limitless, and we can't wait to see how businesses leverage the power of IIoT to drive their success. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the potential of IIoT and its incredible benefits to the businesses across various sectors. At Copper Digital, we are committed to keeping you at the forefront of tech innovation. Until next time, stay connected, stay curious, and embrace the power of industrial Internet of Things.